Welcome to UNP Learning Platform. In this session of Microsoft Excel, we are going to understand how to customize pivot charts in Excel. In order to do that, let us create a basic pivot chart first. Let's click on any cell from the data, go to Insert tab, click on Pivot Chart. I want it to be created in a new worksheet. And OK, a blank pivot table and a pivot chart is created. Let's take segment in the axis, category in the legend, and sales in the values. So this is a chart that we have created just now. If we want, we can change the chart type. But as of now, it is a column chart, clustered column chart. Now, why we need to customize the pivot charts? After we create a pivot chart in Excel, it requires some editing and customization in Excel to look attractive and understand in a better way. So we can follow some tips to do that. If we click on the chart, we can see the plus symbol, plus icon here. If we click that, this enables the chart elements that we can edit. If you can see here, we have different chart elements like axis titles, chart title, data label. So based on our requirement of how we want the chart to be visible to the stakeholders or to the viewers, we can tick box on that chart elements that we want and untick box that we don't want. In this way, we can edit the chart elements of this particular chart. You can see here there's also a brush icon available. If we click on the brush icon, we can see the different types of styles of a pivot chart. And also, if you want to change the color, we can do it by clicking on this. Then the color of the bars or the pie in the pie charts will be changed accordingly. In this way, we can customize the pivot chart with the plus icon and the brush icon near the pivot chart. Apart from this, you can also edit the pivot chart from the design tab. If we go to the design tab, we have an option called add chart elements and we can do the same editings here also. And if we want to change the layout of the chart, we can do it by clicking on the quick layout view. Want to change the colors of the bars, we can do it by clicking the different colors here. Want the display to be different, we can do it by clicking on these options. And if we want to change the chart type, as you already know, we can do it from this change chart type option. I hope it is clear. This is all about today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.